hours scripting, shooting, and editing a video, only to hit publish and watch the numbers stall. You check your analytics, and you find that only 3% of your followers ever saw the post. That suppressed reach is a calculated mathematical decision made by the recommendation AI. The 2026 algorithm functions as a real-time diagnostic test. When reach flatlines, the system has determined that the content failed a specific performance benchmark. The platform prioritizes user retention above all else. Every upload must signal clear value to the AI, or the distribution path ends immediately. Within seconds, Instagram serves your post to a test group of 5 to 10% of active followers. During these first 60 minutes, the AI monitors for high-friction engagement. A simple like is now a weak metric, failing to trigger wider distribution. Content must be engineered to extract high-effort actions from this initial group, or the system terminates the recommendation loop on the spot. To push your content to the Explore page and reach non-followers, you have to hit specific weighted markers. This chart shows the hierarchy of the 2026 ecosystem. Sends per reach, or private DM shares, is the single most important signal, weighted 5 times heavier than a standard like. The second marker is the save. High-value, referenceable content consistently earns these saves, which tells the AI the post has enough utility to merit a longer lifespan in the feed. For Reels, the algorithm requires full completion watch time. If a viewer swipes away before the end, the system registers the content as low retention. The fourth signal is comment depth. The AI ignores emoji spam, looking instead for substantive, word-based interactions that indicate a real conversation. Distribution is reserved for content that users feel compelled to discuss privately or archive for their own future use. Technical errors can stop a post before it even reaches the test group. The aggregator penalty uses advanced AI to identify recycled content or third-party watermarks, which leads to immediate suppression. Reach also suffers when creators post and ghost, leaving the app immediately after publishing, or when an account relies too heavily on static image posts. Elite Indian podcasters like Ranveer Alabadia and Raj Shamani meet these benchmarks by producing hyper-optimized vertical clips designed for high retention and zero watermarks. A single technical red flag in your production workflow can end a post's distribution before your audience has a chance to engage with it. Transitioning from low reach to consistent distribution requires 4 specific operational changes. First, every post should conclude with a save-worthy asset. This could be a checklist, a rare statistic, or a template, anything that gives the viewer a reason to bookmark the post. Second, follow the 30-minute rule. Replying to comments in the first half hour proves to the AI that the account is fostering an active community. Third, maintain a baseline of 3 to 4 reels per week. This frequency satisfies the algorithm's preference for short-form video formats. Fourth, ensure every video file is stripped of external watermarks and metadata from other platforms before you upload. This structured approach replaces guesswork with a strategy aligned with the recommendation engine's mathematical requirements. The algorithm is a neutral judge. When the initial test group responds with shares and saves, the system scales that distribution automatically. Calculate your current organic reach percentage against your follower count and leave it in the comments. We'll use the data to diagnose your account's current standing.